Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discover Boss. So I'm here with you with another update. So first of all guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video, share the video, and leave a comment as well. And if you haven't yet gone over to our new Instagram page, Rush Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, you can go over to our Instagram page and follow us, where you get a lot of updates of upcoming videos and videos that are currently being broadcast on the channel. So we're here at the Southdale Plaza. They did an expansion and renovation, still not fully complete. I think a few tenants have gone in already, while work is being done on a few other shops. So I've done quite a few other videos on this development. I'll also put some of the older videos in the comments as well, so that you guys can see where it's coming from to where it's now. So this is the Southdale Plaza right here on South Avenue, half a tree, Kingston. I thought they would have completely be finished for Christmas, but I think they're almost there. The building itself is finished, so I think it's really the shops now. The different shops are getting ready to move in. So just giving you guys a quick update. What I'll do as well, I should be able to go on the compound and just give you guys a few glimpses from outside, so you guys can get a first-hand view of Shoppes at Southdale. I think that's what they renamed it to be, or Shoppes, or shops. That sounds French. You guys can let me know in the comments. So until you guys get a chance to visit over here, until you get a chance to come over here for yourself, I'll be your eyes and I guess your ears as well, just showing you around the place, guys. As usual, thanks for clicking on this video. The channel cannot survive without you guys. We're on our road to 10,000 subscribers, and I can only get there with your help. If you like, if you comment, if you share, then more persons will see the channel as well. So thanks for clicking on this video, guys. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for everything you have been doing on the channel. Highly appreciated. So this is the newly renovated, refurbished, and you can say expansion as well of the Southdale Plaza. I like the design, I like the colors, I like the modern look. And I see a store that is getting ready, Crocs. So I'm wondering if that's the original Crocs slippers brand. So it seems as if this may be a official outlet for that international brand. So at least this plaza is already attracting some top-notch clients. All right, so let's get some closer shots, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, most shops are empty. Only this clothes store at the front. Fabulous Trends, that's the only one occupied right now. But for the most part, tenants are getting ready to move in. Very good location, very close to Alpha Tree as well. Very central. So leave your thoughts, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think. And I guess once a lot more tenants are in, I'll come back and do another update as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, thanks for sharing, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for all the support.